In a busy city market, a stranger notices a teary child and buys a small toy to calm the moment. That simple act ripples through a chain of quiet kindness as the child's parent smiles at a stranger and pockets hope. Later, the parent volunteers at a local shelter, telling the story of the toy that softened a rough day. A volunteer mentor recalls how a single gesture sparked a small community project that keeps families fed and children learning. The market returns to its bustle, but the air feels lighter as every passerby considers passing kindness forward.